Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to delete your WIX account permanently. So let's go to the WIX dashboard first. Now you have to click on this three dot and choose Move to Trash. Click on Move to Trash. Again, click on Move to Trash. After click on Move to Trash, you have to click on your profile icon on top right corner. Click on this and choose Account Settings. Now scroll down and you'll find here Close Your Account. Click on Close Your Account. Now you have to select a reason why you want to close your account. Now you have to write the feedback here why you want to close your account. Describe this. Enter your password. Click on I understand and then click on close your account. It will ask you for the final confirmation. If you click on close my account, your account will be closed. Okay guys, so this is how you can delete a WIX account permanently. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.